go to
Singapore region. So these are the various regions where AWS services are provided.
Okay.
So we would want to have a region selected which is close to our location, where most of our majority of our users are, which is Singapore.
Okay.
So you select that. It's already selected. So then you go to EC2. So you will see that you don't have any instance running in this particular region.
Okay.
So we'll go this launch instance. So we will select Amazon, this one, 64-bit.
This one. Select on Ubuntu 64-bit.
Yes. Okay. So now these are the various possibilities that you can select from.
Okay.
T2 small. So this one is free.
So micro is free.
This is T2 small. None of these are free. Only this one is free. Okay. So maybe we can just let's in another tab go to AWS pricing. What you need is a EC2 pricing. EC2 pricing, on-demand instances, Linux. Yeah, this is what we need, Linux. So T2 micro. So we can probably go for this one.
0.5.
T2 medium. So
कितना हुआ?
0.052. 0.052 into 24 hours
into 50 days.
into 30 days. This many dollars.
अबे इतने कैसे हो गए?
So this is
$3,000 कैसे हो गया? 3,000 रुपए की बात करें.
No, this is 37.44.
Okay. Fine. Okay. Into 60.
So we can probably go a little more, because into 60 give around 2,246. So let's go with the M3 medium.
0.070.
0.070
multiplied by 24
hours
multiplied by 30
days
multiplied by 60.
$50 into 60. So this is fine. So let's go with M3 medium. Okay, so
what are the specifications?
Yeah, so we see M3 medium is this one. So it has 3.75 GBs RAM. It has 1x4 SSD drives. Then EPS moderate. So network performance is moderate.
कितने GB?
Should be good enough. We can always add disk space, so that's not a problem. So we'll go with M3 medium.
Do you need this much GB memory?
This is fine. No issue.
2 GB is hardly sufficient now. Earlier, when the server he is having already is 2 GB. So this is approximately 4 GB. 2 GB is like that.
Do you really want to do that? It's always good to have a good RAM. Okay. Otherwise, because you'll go to next configuration. So I'll go to previous. So this is what I've selected. Next, configure instance details. So number of instances, purchasing option, network, subnet, all of this can be left as whatever it is, default values. We'll do next, add storage. So this is fine. No problem. We have 8 GBs storage.
8 GB storage.
Yeah. So we can increase this to say 24 GBs.
इतने में हो जाएगा?
How much storage do you need?
If they are uploading some files or people will
why would we store it on the? This is for computation, not for storage.
So where will those files be stored?
It has to be stored somewhere else.
Where?
Like on S3. Like S3 is a different solution for storage. If you
So he was having 1 terabyte or something.
Yeah.
So something you would have thought, na. People will be uploading their resumes and some certificates and all. A lot of people who register on the DMI site. So where will those go?
That can go on S3.
What is S3?
S3 is a storage solution from Amazon.
That is free.
Not free, but the costs are very economical.
How much per month?
I'll show you. S3 pricing. Storage pricing. So per GB, so if you have first 1 terabyte per month, so it runs the standard storage 0.03 per GB. Right? So, later, if you want say 100 GBs into 0.03 $3
₹180
for a month. So that's what. So we are fine with 8 GBs. Or I can have 16. That should be good enough, right? 16.
So it's basically source code files.
Yeah, exactly. Nothing more than that. Instance to root 16. Next is any tags you want to specify. Next is security code. So we are fine. Launch wizard 1 is okay. Create a new security group. Select an existing security group. So we can go with this launch wizard 1. Preview launch.
Security.
So we will do that because it's open to the world, right? Everybody can access, but that is something that you can always edit at any point of time. Launch. Choose an existing key pair. So this is the one that
Campfire. Okay.
So either you can create a new one or you can use the existing one.
Can use the existing one.
So proceed with that. Choose an existing key pair. So on this particular region there are no key pairs. We will have to create a new.
We already created one, no? Zeroin.app.
But that is on a different region.
It's not. But that was not in Singapore.
That was not in Singapore. So create a new pair. So we'll do team I. Team I. Okay. Download key pair.
So it will use tmi.com.
So to launch instance. So here's instance is pending. Very soon it will start.
So where are the billing details? Like where they will be charging for this, right?
So it will come in account billing and cost management. So right now it's $0. So whenever it will come, it will show up here. Okay, so let's go back to our EC2 services. So you have one running instance. It's running. So now you can connect. Okay, so we'll create an IP. Yeah, so we'll create an elastic IP first.
What was that IP?
That is a dynamic IP that has been associated with it. But if you restart that,
keep changing.
It will change. So the best is to have a elastic IP, static IP, static IP. So that's what they call as elastic IP. So this has been assigned to us. So now this will remain. Where's your notepad? This one.
You can put new server
team I live. It AWS. Right. AWS TI. So now we will allocate, no, not, so we'll associate the address. So this is the one. Associate.
So you need to remember this instance.
No, it will automatically show up. Then it will also show up the name. So here you can put the name also in the instance. Here you can put the name. You can edit team. Okay. No, we are here only. Yeah. Yes. You're ready?
So it already is having Ubuntu.
Huh? Yeah, we chose Ubuntu.
And what about Apache and all this?
We will have to install. So let's log into the server. This is the IP.
So for login we need, this is the static IP, elastic IP.
Yes. It has already been associated to the instance now. SSH minus I.
download tmy.fm Ubuntu at the rate
So we will have to now password.
Which password?
Yeah.
System password.
System password. So now we will go back. So the earlier step we had to do because the permissions on the tmy.pem file were too open.
What were those? 755?
Yeah, something like that. So we made it 400. Now it's fine. So we are logged into the server.
So if I move my file, temp file from one folder to other, it will be same.
The permissions would remain the same, but obviously the location
will
change. So now let's install all the softwares required. So let's Google out Ubuntu
already there.
Install PHP Apache MySQL. So just have to copy and run these commands. First we do sudo apt minus get update, then we install Apache through this next command.
What is update?
Update will read all the repositories and to install latest packages from all the repositories.
What are all the repositories?
There is one file in your operating system which specifies that for this particular package, Ubuntu should look at this particular repository. So it will have the URL of that repository.
Okay.
And it will get the latest package from that repository and it will install in your system. So it's like you just have to write.
These are all publicly available
repository. You just have to write the package name.
Okay.
And then it will look into your configuration list. Where is the repository for package name Apache 2? It will get the latest software from that repository and install it.
Okay.
So we are going to, that the first step of update is done. The second is we are installing Apache. This is not required, and we will install MySQL.
So now all the packages are there, you just trying to install. With the update, it fetched all those packages.
Yes. So Apache is installed. We will install MySQL server. lib Apache 2 mod auth MySQL PHP 5 MySQL.
What is this lib Apache 2 mod or MySQL?
Some Apache authentication module.
So this is always needed, like that Apache would be able to know where is MySQL.
Right. So once you have installed MySQL, you should activate it. Okay, so now we can type in the root password of the server. So what should I keep as the root password?
Root.
Huh? So that is anyways.
Can we change
it? No problem. So I'll just set root.
If someone gets only PEM file, then only they can get to
Yes,
this
yes,
application,
yes,
right?
yes.
Otherwise, it's secure.
Yes, yes.
So it's only you have to make sure your PEM file is not accessible to anyone.
Right. So it is installing all these softwares that asked it to.
PHP. You need to install PHP.
Yeah, install step 3. Install PHP. So we install PHP.
So this is latest PHP version.
Yeah, PHP 5. Now we are installing PHP. Okay, so now I will PHP modules. Any module in PHP that you want to start. So that is done. Now I'll do sudo a2nmod so this is to enable a module called rewrite.
What it does?
It helps rewriting of your rules of redirection. It helps in redirection of one route to another route. Okay, anyways, that's not a problem to worry about at this point in time. So now I will restart my Apache. So all the softwares have been installed.
Okay. So now can we access this IP? Can we access this IP from your yesterday we were trying with that?
Yes. So the IP is
notepad में I'm checking the notepad.
here.
All done. Now it's
now we have to open the port. So by default only SSH is open for all the IPs. Now we will open the port 80 for all the IPs. So we will go back to a browser. Now for this particular instance, the security group is launch wizard 1. We go to that security group. For this particular launch wizard 1 security group, we see the rules of the security here. It allows SSH access on port 22 from all your IPs. I want to edit this. I will have to need to go to security groups from here. Launch wizard 1 is here. I edit here. I add a new rule. Custom rule is HTTP. I want to access it from anywhere, and I click on save. The moment I save it, I see yes, it's open.
So now I just have to upload files, create MySQL database, put the connection string, and I should be online. Then
No,
you'll have to propagate the domain later.
Yeah. So the only one thing that I will do here is I'll make a small change here. cd/etc/cd sites. So it has all the rules. With the sudo 000. So any request directly coming to that IP on port 80 would be redirected to this particular folder.
Okay.
So because I want my application directly to be accessible from the IP itself, what I'll do is after HTML, I'll name the folder as admission, right? So make sure that when you upload that folder, it has to be under this particular file, and it should be named as admission. And then there is one more thing that I have to do, which I'll do now. I need to add that directory thing. Let me search it. Apache rewrite rule.
Actually made these changes in another instance, right? I can find and I can do this.
Not this one. Yeah, we can actually check in another one.
I'll just copy paste.
Yes, exactly. So we just have to copy paste that one of the directory tags.
Okay, I'll do that.
And the content, which is I'll just see if I can tell you right here. What is that? But we don't find it here, obviously. We will not worry about it. Okay, I got it.
Recording बंद कर